Traditional Ambode recipe at home. Take 5 green chilies, 2 ginger, jeera, channa dal, curry leaves, dill leaves and coriander. Add your green chilies to a mixer grinder. Add 1 cup of channa dal. Grind them. Cut your dill leaves. Cut your coriander. Cut your curry leaves. Grate ginger. Add ginger, coriander, dill leaves and curry leaves to the grinded green chili and channa dal. Add jeera. Add salt to taste. Mix them well. Make sure to follow each and every step carefully if you want this to turn out good like a traditional recipe. Make sure it will be like this. Switch on your stove and place your kadai. Add oil. Take your dough, make it into a round shape and flatten it. Make sure to follow the same procedure for all the other vadis. Like this. My mouth is watering just by looking at that. Flip them a couple of times. Fry until they are golden brown. And just like that, voila, your Aambodes are ready to serve. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.